In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Etsy package. Whether you're a frequent Etsy shopper or just made your first purchase, knowing how to follow your order's journey until it reaches your doorstep is crucial. Let's dive in and make sure your package gets to you safe and sound. First, you need to visit Etsy's website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the web page address etsy.com. You can explore various Etsy domains depending on your region, but for this demonstration, we will focus on the Etsy homepage. Once the site is loaded, make sure you are signed into your account. If you aren't signed in, simply enter your credentials to access the full range of buyer features, including order tracking. Next up, let's navigate to your profile. At the top right of your Etsy homepage, you'll notice a profile icon, often represented as a silhouette of a person or an initial. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is a hub for your personal account settings and activities. From here, you want to click on the option labeled Purchases and Reviews. Selecting this will direct you to a page detailing everything you've ordered on Etsy. Once you're on the Purchases and Reviews page, you'll see a list of all your recent transactions. Locate the specific item you want to track. This section is where Etsy organizes your purchase history, and you'll see the details of each item, including the estimated delivery date. Scroll through this list and find the item in question, paying close attention to the thoughtfulness and creativity of the sellers reflected in your purchases. After identifying the right order, move on to tracking. Click directly on the item and you should see an option labeled Track Package or Track Order. By clicking this, Yelp automatically diverts some necessary details for you. This should give you the current location of your package, the expected delivery date, and if applicable, the tracking number provided by the shipping service. Understanding this information keeps you in the loop about any potential delays or updates as the seller dispatches the item from their workshop to your home. And that's it. Tracking your Etsy package is straightforward but incredibly useful for ensuring everything arrives as expected. Should you encounter any discrepancies, such as no tracking updates or delayed shipments without explanations, don't hesitate to contact the seller or Etsy support. They're equipped to clarify and assist during your shopping journey. Thanks for watching and enjoy your unique Etsy finds. Happy shopping!